In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Dropbox account and access your account management settings. Whether you're new to Dropbox or a seasoned user, managing your account settings is crucial for keeping your files organized and your information up to date. Let's get started by visiting Dropbox's official website. Open your preferred web browser and type in dropbox.com in the address bar. As the page loads, you'll see Dropbox's clean and inviting home interface. Next, you'll need to log into your account. Click on the Sign In button, which is prominently displayed at the top of the page, and enter your credentials, your Dropbox registered email and password. In case you've forgotten your password, Dropbox also offers a password recovery option to ensure you can regain access to your files with ease. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your personal dashboard. This area serves as the central hub for accessing all your files and shared folders. It provides a clear overview of your recent activity, allowing you to dive straight back into your work without missing a beat. Now, to adjust or review your account settings, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper right corner of the dashboard. There you'll notice your profile icon, likely a small circle featuring your profile picture or initials. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Manage Account. This selection will direct you to your account management page, where you can view and modify critical settings, such as your subscription plan, security settings, and personal information. Here you have the power to control how your Dropbox behaves and interacts with other applications, as well as manage your devices and connected apps. It's an essential area for anyone looking to tailor Dropbox to their specific needs, ensuring that your data remains secure and your interactions with the platform are seamless. Whether you're looking to upgrade your plan for more storage, integrate with other tools for increased productivity, or simply want to review your account details, this section has you covered. Remember, keeping your account management settings up to date not only ensures a smoother experience, but also enhances the security of your stored files and information. Dropbox regularly updates its features and settings to offer better functionality, so revisiting this area periodically is a good practice. By following these steps, you'll maintain greater control and customization over your Dropbox experience, allowing you to maximize its capabilities in storing and sharing your files efficiently. I hope this guide helps you feel more confident in managing your Dropbox account. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.